So let's talk about this. And you guys can get off mute because I want to hear this. Because some of you guys have said some things already this morning. How much is a listing worth? Who wants to share? How much is a listing worth? This is critical.
Whatever you can negotiate.
Whatever you can negotiate, it's worth. Somebody said that they had an open house and they picked up another listing, called those adopted clients. What will you guys make on average? Type in the chat on average when you close it. If you get a listing and it closes, how much money will you make? Type in the chat. Some of you guys that don't want to tell me out loud. It's fine. The chat goes directly to me, so it is, right? Type in the chat how much money you make when you get a listing and you close it. How much money do you make? Or if you want to share out loud, that's great.
6,000.
Go ahead.
6,000.
6,000. 6,000. All right. He says
6%.
Okay, let's get dollar figures. I like to get the numbers. I'm a numbers person. It costs money to go to Dubai.
You should, depending if you're at a 300,000 to 400,000 loan amount, then you're looking to make maybe between 10 to 15,000.
What's up with all the hypotheticals? How much money do you make on a listing?
15,000. 15,000.
15,000. How much do y'all make? I mean, this is what's up with all the hypotheticals, man. Y'all closing deals, y'all making checks, y'all got direct deposits. Somebody is making some money here, right?
25,000.
45,000.